Hi, it's American Girl 2400, and I had an idea of making an American Girl train, or vehicle somewhat, out of the American Girl doll box tops. So I have 9 dolls right now, and I tried it with 5 boxes, and I tried to pull it, but when I tried to turn it around, the dolls flipped over, so it's too much to pull. So I'm just going to split this connected spots. So yeah, well, let me show you how to do this. You poke a hole. Well, first, I'll start in the front. You poke a hole here and have this string to pull it. Just leave it alone like that, and then you go to the back of the first one and poke a hole, and then grab another one and poke a hole in the front, poke a hole in the back, poke a hole in the front. Yeah. So if you have 6 dolls, you'll need 3 box tops. If you have 8, you'll need 4, and if you have 10, you'll need 5. And so on and so on. And then you get these pipe cleaners and connect them, and just wrap them around and then put them down so your dolls can ride. But I recommend now, after trying all 5 of them going together, just to do at least 3 connected, and that's it. Don't do any more boxes connected, or else the boxes will break and your dolls will flip over on their train ride. So, just going to connect this one. Just put the pipe cleaner through this one. Okay, and poor Felicity is all alone back here, but when Gwen and Sonali come, she will be happier. So see, they ride happily down the street, and you can easily turn them, because when I had all 5 of them together, one would flip over when I turned. Now let's try with 3. Yeah, so it works perfectly fine. So, I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, and please tell me if this was a good idea or not, and just be sure to ask your parents' permission before you do this, because I know some moms don't want you to poke holes in the boxes and basically ruin it. But it's just a little hole. I hope they won't mind. And you can always take the dolls out and pull out the pipe cleaner, and then use the boxes for something else, like the bunk beds and stage. So, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.